Well, a big welcome along to the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear on YouTube, and also the Facebook groups, the motorhome sites and stopovers. Well, we've got a very special video for you today. We're here with, here she is. This is the beautiful Jasmine, and it's her first birthday. So what we're going to do for you, we're going to show you from last year, right, when she was first born, right up to just yesterday. So here she is. This is a special birthday video. Enjoy this, because we've got lots and lots of fantastic locations that we've been to, and this little lady has made it all worthwhile, together with Teresa and of course, hey, myself, Stu Bear. It's going to start off with her mum, which was Luna, and her brother George. Enjoy the video, and don't forget, keep on enjoying everything that we do, and follow us either on the Facebook or on YouTube, The Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. Enjoy this. What do you think? Happy birthday, Jasmine.
Jasmine, you can feel it. You are so beautiful. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty, you little Liz. I know, you're so pretty. You are. Oh, look. Oh, your little so cute. My little baby.
Her first time in here, so I'm certainly going to make sure that she doesn't jump off here, because but there we go. So certainly join us with our travels that we're going to have, and watch Jasmine grow up over the months and hopefully many years, and hey, enjoy what we do and what we bring you, all of the locations that we go to. Don't forget, on all of the videos, what I try to do when we go to a location, we take the drone footage so you can see what it looks like. We also hey, give you the grid references so you can find all these great locations. And there she is. She's beautiful, isn't she? That's Jasmine.
Sometimes love is a river running strong, moving like a wave through a rocky riverbed.
Wow, look at you. That's the first, now that's the first time she's done any swimming.
Bring your orange sleeve.
Twirling through the back door of your heart. Every time I think of you, something happens in there. And every time I try to leave, you're keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. Losing track of time. to sleep it off, but night keeps on passing by. You're losing track of time. Losing track of time.
Welcome along to our brand new YouTube channel, The Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. We'll be taking you to some amazing locations while we travel around. We have scenic videos with relaxing music, cycling adventures, camping locations, and some great documentaries, plus lots more. So join us on the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear YouTube channel and subscribe for free right now.